All right, the way we're going to work keeping track of and submitting constructions that are completed in GeoGebra will be through the use of shared Google Docs. I'd like you to open a blank Google Doc and name it GeoGebra Constructions and your name in parentheses and share it with me and only me if you would. Then when you go to GeoGebra, you're going to go to My Page in Clever. So you go to Clever, then you click on My Page. This will come up and you will go ahead and I believe it will log you into GeoGebra. If it doesn't, you may have to log in using Google. But then I'm going to show you, I'm going to put together a construction and then we're going to show you how you're going to put it in the Google Doc. So I will start the calculator. I will go to geometry. I'm going to translate a polygon very quickly. So let's just go to, let's put together a regular polygon. Let's make an octagon. And now I'm going to translate that. I'm going to need a vector to translate it. So let's create a vector and let's translate it from about that distance on the page and about that direction. So I'll go into translations, translate by vector. So let's say I've completed this and I want to bring it into my Google Doc. I am going to go ahead up here and I'm going to click on share. I should be logged in. I guess I'm not logged in. There we go. Now I can save it. Translation of Polygon. Save. I will go ahead and export an image. Copy it to the clipboard. Export image. Copy it to the clipboard. And then when I go into my document, translate Polygon, I will go ahead and paste it in there. And by the time we were done with the course, we should have a whole bunch of screenshots of the work we did in GeoGebra with titles on what they are. You'll see there are 2 in this assignment. So by the time you're done this assignment, you'll have your first 2 and you will have shared the document with me. All right, thanks.